Ukraine continues to face relentless assaults as cross-border tensions escalate. President Volodymyr Zelensky reported that just last night, Ukraine intercepted a massive attack involving 103 Shahed drones, which contained over 8,755 foreign-made components. This highlights Russia's ongoing reliance on globally sourced parts for its war arsenal. Over the past week alone, Russia has unleashed more than 630 strike drones, 740 guided aerial bombs, and nearly 50 missiles of various types against Ukraine. These attacks utilized over 50,000 sanctioned components sourced from international supply chains. Zelensky emphasized the inadequacy of sanctions, stating that Russia continues to procure components and manufacturing tools globally, enabling the production of weapons used to terrorize Ukraine.
The sanctions pressure on supply chains for foreign components remains insufficient. Russia continues to acquire the components and manufacturing tools it needs, almost globally, and uses them in the weapons it employs to terrorize Ukraine.
The president's remarks come amid intensified fighting in Ukraine's Sumy region. A Russian-guided bomb strike wounded 3 and destroyed a residential building. Meanwhile, across the border in Russia's Kursk region, Ukrainian troops have launched a surprise assault, reportedly putting Russian forces on the defensive. Russian military bloggers claim that Western-supplied armored vehicles and infantry are being deployed near Bolshoye Soldatskoye. Some analysts suggest the Kursk offensive may be a diversionary tactic, with preparations underway for a larger strike. Civilians in Glushkovo and Koronevo have been urged to evacuate amid fears of further escalation. Zelensky stated that the Kursk operation has inflicted significant losses on Russian and North Korean troops stationed in the region, with up to a battalion lost in a single battle near Makhnovka. Zelensky called for enhanced international cooperation on sanctions, air defense systems, long-range weapons, and support for Ukrainian soldiers. He extended gratitude to Ukraine's allies, stressing that these priorities are essential to protect cities, villages, and frontline positions.
We must continue strengthening cooperation with all our partners on sanctions, air defense systems, long-range weapons, and support for our warriors. These priorities will help protect our cities, villages, and positions on the front line. I am grateful to every partner helping us with this.
The ongoing attacks, coupled with Russia's continued access to sanctioned components, highlight the challenges of curbing the conflict. As the situation escalates, Ukraine's calls for increased global action to counter Russian aggression grow ever louder.